أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Salam.
Sa ating chairman, the chairman of Moro International Student Association, Muhammad Idat Amin Al-Abbas, sa ating Secretary General, Datu Abdul Sadar Zaidon, sa ating member of the board, Suarto S. Ismail, at sa ating mga participant today, morning sa inyong lahat. And sa ating wali of the Bangsamoro, Sir Sheikh, and sa ating mga speakers, Prof. Hashiman Tikayan. Sir, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ng aming third Islamic Conference. Sheikh Sadawi ng Maluwas, sir, maraming salamat din po. At sa ating pangatlong speaker, Sheikh Mas'ud Lanto, which is nandito na ba siya? So, and sa ating commissioner, Sir Nasruddin. Okay. So, today, I would like to open this message with the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. We gather here for healing talk, knowledge for the heart, the third Islamic Conference, an initiative that the Moro International Student Association is honored to organize once again. This year, we are privileged to welcome three distinct guests, and we extend my sincere gratitude to them for graciously accepting our invitation and sharing their wisdom with us. I would also like to highlight Misa accomplishment throughout 2024 with the generous support of our donors and sponsors. We successfully organized some programs, activities during the month of Ramadan, such as Ramadan Safety Card, Ramadan Online Series, and orphanage participation. We also expanded educational opportunities for the Bangsamoro people by facilitating scholarship for a student in Turkey. Like Kaka said a while ago, open na po yung YPD, Turkey Yugoslavi, which is will be until February 20. So, hoping na yung mga gusto mag-aral sa Turkey, we can also message us on our page, Moro International Student Association, for any question po. So, kung gusto niyo po, marami pong magpipilian na mga courses, for example, agriculture, medicine, and more po. So, as a product of Moro International Student Association, ako po ay nakapagtapos sa Nidi University taking a Master of Plant Production and Technology. So, nakapagtapos ako way back 2022. Ngayon, as a currently Executive Director Moro International Student Association, masasabi ko pong marami kayong matututunan like this program. Marami kami mga programa na ginagawa every month of Ramadan and every month of and also during mga Foundation Day and more activity here in Bangsamoro. So, as we embark on today's conference, I encourage each of you to open your hearts and minds to the knowledge being shared. let this gathering inspire us to strengthen our faith, upkeep our communities, and uphold the values of Islam in our daily lives. May we leave this event not only enriched with the wisdom, but also with a renewed commitment to strive for excellence, serve with the sincerity, and to contribute meaningful that Ummah. May the insight we gain today serve as source of the guidance, light, and transformation for all of us all. And the last, kalimutan ko sabihin, I also want to acknowledge the presence of our former Executive Director, Ahad Yamano. Thank you, sir. And also, the presence of representative of member of the parliament, Muhammad Yaakob, which is Honorable Hamad Yaakob, sir. So, with that, thank you and Jazakallahu khairan wal hidayah.
Syukran jazakumullahu khairan jazakum dunia wal akhirah, sir. Thank you, sir. Alhamdulillah po.
Before we proceed to our program, we are acknowledging the arrival, the presence of one of our lecturers. We have Sheikh Masood Lantong, sir. Assalamualaikum.
So we stand here today not
We are also acknowledging the presence of our Bangsamoro Youth Commission. We have Honorable Nasruddin Bunti, BYC Commissioner, sir. Assalamualaikum.
So we stand here today not as individuals, but as a united force, ready to lend our big support. The message you are about to hear is a testament to the power of collective action, a lamp of hope in the face of adversity. Let it inspire us all to continue fighting for what we believe in.
To give us the message of support, may we call on again the BYC Commissioner, Honorable Nasruddin Bunti, to give us his message of support.